Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing with you my recipe for the best mocha ice blend you've ever tasted. I made this recipe a while back when I was drinking iced coffee every morning. However, I didn't want to go out of my way to go buy one that was probably made out of low quality ingredients, so I decided to make up my own. A quick disclaimer though. A team of lawyers actually advised against sharing this recipe because of the mass addiction it might cause. But I'm going to do it anyways. Just know you've been warned. The ingredients are Khalifa Double X Espresso Cold Brew Coffee, almond milk, ripened banana, cacao powder, honey, ice cubes, and kale. The first thing you're going to do is get your blender set up and pour in 3/4 of a cup of Khalifa Double X Espresso Cold Brew Coffee. I've tried many different coffee brands for this recipe and have settled on the Khalifa brand as my favorite for this particular recipe. Next, you will add 3/4 of a cup of almond milk to the mix. Depending on how strong you like your drink, you could adjust the ratio of the almond milk to coffee to your liking. Now that the coffee almond milk mix is in your blender, take one ripe organic banana, peel it, and add it in as well. A ripe banana will add a sweeter flavor to the drink and will help bind everything together. Next, add 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 6 to 8 cubes of ice. Lastly, if you're feeling daring, you could add a leaf of kale into the mix to make it just a bit more healthy. Subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos of homemade recipes with a healthy spin on it.